Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today in the community of Lake Chaparral, obviously known best for its 32-acre lake, private, exclusive to the community residents. But there are also 3 schools, there's a ton of amenities, there's public transportation, there's a ton of these parks and playgrounds, and imagine backing onto one of them here where we are right now. Check out this home, 168 Chaparral Common. Let's go check out the inside. Now, all of this siding was recently replaced, along with many windows, the roof, this aggregate pathway system and driveway. Welcome. Now, the first thing that I notice in here is the high ceilings. It has a very spacious and open concept feel to it. I love this formal dining area off the front entrance. It would be a great home office or flex room. Now this opens up to the kitchen and living area. You'll notice a lot of upgrades in here. Granite countertops, the Brazilian cherry hardwood floors flow throughout this main level here. It also has an induction cooktop and a corner pantry, and a lot of really nice, rich woodwork. This is one of 3 gas fireplaces in the home. Love the built-ins, and of course, backs onto just where we were. Such a lovely setting, very private, and of course, great for kids and pets. Now, in addition to 3 bedrooms upstairs, you also have this incredible bonus room. Another gas fireplace. This is over the garage. Some really nice windows, and again with the high ceilings. This is the first of the children's bedrooms. Some cool storage and great closet space as well. This second bedroom is currently being used as an office, as you can see, but with the window in the closet could make for a great bedroom. They share this updated 4-piece bathroom, beautiful tile work and vanity with soft closed cabinetry. And of course, your fabulous master bedroom, taking in the beautiful views, of course, and a full ensuite with double vanities, soaker tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. Now, conveniently off the main level there, you see this 2-piece bathroom, updated, as well as the laundry space. Now there's a ton of extra storage in here with a newer washer and dryer, and of course, conveniently into the oversized double garage. Now this space makes this home about 3,300 square feet in total. You notice the 3rd gas fireplace here, which really makes it cozy. Our 4th bedroom here. And your 3rd bathroom, our 3rd-piece bathroom. Well, everybody, thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.